Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling ingredients and tools so you can act fast. 30 ml jojoba, 15 ml sweet almond, 10 ml argan, 5 drops rosemary, 3 drops vitamin E. Measure in a small glass beaker and pour the carrier oils first. This balances absorption and weight. Once mixed, swirl gently for 20-30 seconds to combine. Don't shake violently. Make sure the bottle is warm to help oils marry smoothly. Then transfer using a small funnel so you lose no serum. Now you refine the serum by adding essential oils dropwise so you never exceed a 1% concentration. This prevents irritation. Warm the mixture briefly over a water bath to about body temperature to help the oils integrate evenly. Once blended, apply a pea-sized amount to your inner wrist and wait 24 hours to check for sensitivity. If it feels greasy or heavy, make sure to reduce oil quantity next time or swap in a lighter carrier like grapeseed. Finish by applying 2-3 drops to damp hair, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. You avoid the scalp to prevent greasiness. Comb through with fingers or a wide-tooth comb, then style as usual. This seals cuticles, reduces frizz, and adds shine. If you notice buildup or limp hair after a week, make sure to clarify with a single clarifying shampoo wash and reduce frequency to once weekly. If irritation appears, stop use immediately and rinse thoroughly. Seek advice if it persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.